So well, most of the Windows users are still using the Microsoft Edge as their browser, and only few might be aware that Microsoft Edge is eating a lot of your computer resources, especially your RAM. Not only this, if you are using this Microsoft Edge on your laptop, it also drains your battery very fast. And in order to find out more detail, if you bring up the Task Manager on your Windows 10 or 11, so you will find here the Microsoft Edge. Even if you are not running it, it eats a lot of resources running in the background. So you can see it's not affecting too much of my CPU. But if I talk about my memory, so you can see that it's eating around 200 of MB of my RAM. Now what I want from you that you should notice, if you look on the Microsoft Edge here, in the bracket it shows me number 11. That can be less or more on different devices, like on my end it can be different, on your end it can be different. Now basically what it means, it is telling us that 11 pages are running in the background. So I have not opened any kind of website, but still why these pages are running and why Microsoft Edge is eating around 230 MB of my RAM. And that's too far of all the other application on my computer because the Edge is on the very top here. And this is exactly what I said, that you're not using the Microsoft Edge properly, you're using it wrong. But if I talk about the solution, so basically you have two solutions here. Number one, either you can change few of the settings of the Microsoft Edge and it will stop running in the background and even eat less resources. Number two, you can completely uninstall the Microsoft Edge and use any other browser like Chrome or the Brave browser. The choice is yours. I will be sharing both the solution with you. So for the first solution, you will have to bring up the Microsoft Edge. On the right hand top, you will have to click on the three dot. Then click on settings. Here in the setting from the left hand side, you will have to click on system and performance. Click on it. Then you need to click on system. And here you will find few options. And on the very top, it says startup boost. And if you read it, it says open Edge faster when you start your device. So when this option is being enabled, what will happen? Some of the Microsoft Edge file will be running in the background so that the next time whenever you want to open the Edge, it can quickly bring up the Edge for you. But that background file, which is helping it to load quickly, is eating lot of your RAM, lot of your resources. In order to optimize it, first you will have to disable this startup boost, and below it says continue running background extension and application when Edge is closed. So it clearly says even if you close the Microsoft Edge browser, the extensions and the applications of the Microsoft Edge will be running in the background. And that was the reason I showed you the number in the Task Manager, number 11, that included all these extensions, application and the pages that were running in the background. So what I will do, I will also close it and disable it. Alright, so these two options you will have to disable, startup boost and continue running background extension when Edge is closed. So once you have disabled both these options, you need to go back and then instead of system, you will have to click on performance here and make sure this fade inactive tab option has been enabled. And if you are on a laptop and you believe that the Edge is draining your battery very fast, your browser is draining the battery very fast, you can enable this option as well. Enable energy saver. Alright, I'm on a PC, so I won't enable this option. And then you also need to enable this option below the memory, automatically put tabs to sleep. Alright, so once you have made these changes, this time if I close the Edge and again bring up the Task Manager, so this time you will find the Microsoft Edge. It's taking only 7 pages. It's showing me only 7 pages instead of 11 that was earlier. The memory that was eating around 230 MB. Now it's taking around only 160 MB. But still I believe you will have to go ahead and restart the computer so that it can properly take the effect. So this was the first solution. If you are okay with this, if you are satisfied with this solution only, then you're good to go. You don't have to watch the second solution. But yes, if you need more improvement and if Microsoft Edge is really becoming annoying for you, then you will have to uninstall it completely and then install any other alternate browser like Chrome or Brave browser. But now the problem again is When you make a right click on Windows icon, go to settings, go to apps, installed apps, and when you look for the Microsoft Edge here and click on the three dot, the uninstall option has been grayed out. Now for this, I will be sharing the best solution with you, and that is completely uninstalling and removing the Microsoft Edge from your PC or your laptop. And for this purpose, I really recommend a very popular tool called Revo Uninstaller. So search for Revo Uninstaller, click on the first website, click on the free download, and it's a small file, so it will be quickly downloaded. So click on the downloaded file, click on yes, accept the terms, click on next, next, and install. So you will be getting this kind of Revo dashboard that is very easy to operate and very easy to find out all the options here. Now before uninstalling the Microsoft Edge completely, I would recommend you using the Edge browser only. Go ahead and download any other browser like the Brave or the Google Chrome, whichever you wish. So if you want to download and enjoy the Chrome browser, simply search for Chrome, download, and you will be getting this website, Chrome web browser, download Google Chrome. You can click on it and then click on download Chrome and go with the basic installation. If you want to download and install and enjoy the Brave browser, you can search for Brave browser, download, and click again on the first website and click on Get Brave for Windows. Now the one that I would recommend you, kindly go with the Brave browser. It's really working absolutely perfect, that giving you many advanced options that you can enjoy, like disabling the trackers, enjoying the VPN, and many more features. And even I have created a video that how you can make your Brave browser more perfect. You can watch that video and make it more perfect for your PC or laptop. Alright, so once you have installed the Brave browser or the Google Chrome, again you can come to the Revo Uninstaller. Now look here for Microsoft Edge, select it and click on uninstall. Click OK. It will ask you to create a restore point. So you can create a restore point in case if you want to revert the action. Click on continue. Then it will say scanning mode. So you want to go with the moderate scan or the advanced. So that basically means if you choose the advanced, it will be using the advanced skill to search for any remaining file of Microsoft Edge on your PC or laptop. So the moderate one is okay. Keep this selected. Click on a scan. And it will now be looking for the remaining file in the Windows registry and even in the file explorer. Alright, now it says found leftover registry item. So you need to click on select all and click on delete. Click on yes. Then it found leftover file in folder. So again you need to select all, click on delete, click on yes. And it will be now cleaning and removing all the leftover file that is occupying the space in your drive. And that can create a problem for you in the future. And once done, it says selected, but remaining file will be deleted during the next system restart. So click on OK, click on finish, and the next time when you will restart the computer, all these remaining file will be automatically deleted. So these were the two steps, two methods that you can use in order to fix the Microsoft Edge eating a lot of your RAM and the resources and even draining your battery. And let me know in the comment section that which method you will be going to use. And do not forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.